Hello everyone, I'm Lulu. Welcome to Lulu's AI Daily Brief, your tech intelligence brief. Here's today's latest AI news for June 19, 2026. We have 12 stories. Let's get into it. Here's your quick overview. Coming up, Gary Marcus slams Meta as a data labeling sweatshop. Midjourney launches 60-second full-body ultrasound scanner. OpenAI enterprise ad spending controls and usage analytics. Cursor unleashes cloud agents plus/automate. And more in today's 12-story brief. Let's dive in. Gary Marcus just dropped a bomb on Meta, calling its AI research division a data labeling sweatshop and saying that no amount of annotation will ever get us to AGI. This isn't just academic sniping, it's a direct challenge to Meta's entire R&D strategy, and it's already sparking heated replies from engineers and researchers worldwide. If you've been betting big on data-heavy fine-tuning, this is your reality check. Midjourney just went from generating fantasy art to building medical hardware, announcing a full-body ultrasound scanner that promises 60-second scans using 500,000 microscopic sensors. Yes, the same team behind those viral AI portraits is now aiming to replace MRI machines. But here's the catch: no FDA clearance, no clinical trials, and Gizmodo already called out their biggest unsolved problem, turning raw sound waves into clean images. This isn't vaporware, it's a seismic boundary push. OpenAI just gave IT departments what they've been begging for: real budget control over AI. New spending caps, team-level usage dashboards, and cost forecasting are now live in ChatGPT Enterprise. For CFOs watching AI bills balloon, this isn't just a feature, it's the difference between pilot and production. And if your company's still flying blind on LLM costs, you're already behind. By the way, if this brief helps, please subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a daily update. Cursor just leveled up agent automation, introducing cloud agents that run 24/7 in the background, and /automate, where you type check PRs every morning at 9 a.m. and it builds the whole workflow for you. No more local-only agents, no more manual cron jobs. This is how real-world agent orchestration begins. Anthropic just proved something huge. Claude Opus 4.7 running on a quadruped robot completed physical tasks 20 times faster than the strongest human AI team from last year. No remote control. No human guidance. Just pure AI autonomy, and it crushed the benchmark. This isn't sci-fi anymore. It's a wake-up call for robotics, safety teams, and anyone building agents meant to act in the real world. OpenAI says GPT 5.5 Instant now matches top-tier reasoning models on medical questions, and it's already fielding health queries from 230 million people every single week. That's not just traffic, it's real-world validation at scale. Paired with LifeSciBench, their new benchmark built with 173 scientists, this signals OpenAI's all-in bet on healthcare as its most defensible post-AGI moat. DeepMind just dropped its AI control roadmap, a step-by-step guide for what to do when your AI agent goes rogue in production. Think real-time monitoring, emergency kill switches, permission layers, and forensic audit trails. This isn't theoretical. It's designed for the moment your financial bot starts rewriting contracts or your code agent deletes prod configs. If your team ships agents to real users, this is your new security checklist. Google's AMIE, its conversational medical AI, just landed in mNature/M, proving it can manage chronic conditions as well as human doctors. That's not just another paper. It's the first major peer-reviewed validation of AI as clinician in a top-tier journal. What makes it work? Not flash, but continuity, multi-session memory, empathetic framing, and longitudinal tracking. In short, trust through conversation, not just correctness. OpenAI just launched LifeSciBench, a science benchmark built with 173 real researchers, not just engineers. It tests 7 critical skills: how well AI reasons from evidence, handles messy scientific papers, manages uncertainty, and delivers usable outputs. This isn't about passing exams, it's about whether your AI can actually do science. If your lab or startup is building research agents, this is your new gold standard yardstick. GPT 5.4 just helped chemists optimize over 10,000 drug reactions, lifting boronic acid yields by 88% and amine yields by 83%. That's not incremental, it's a pipeline collapse. What used to take years now fits in 2.5 months. This is where AI stops being a chatbot and becomes a lab partner, with measurable, revenue-driving impact on pharma R&D timelines. ServiceNow just launched MosaicLeaks, the first-ever benchmark designed to catch AI research agents when they spill secrets. While everyone tests what agents know, nobody tested what they leak, until now. If your team uses agents for competitive analysis or internal R&D, this benchmark forces a hard question: can your agent keep a secret? Because right now, most can't. Jeff Dean and the original TPU architects just dropped the definitive paper on Google's AI chip evolution, covering everything from TPU v2 to the upcoming v6 architecture, headed for IEEE Micro this summer. This isn't marketing fluff, it's the closest thing we'll get to Google's official AI infrastructure roadmap. If you care about where inference and agent compute are heading, this paper is required reading. That's all for today's Lulu's AI Daily Brief. If this was helpful, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and like this video. I'm Lulu. See you tomorrow.